Imagine your watch reminding you to exercise, your fridge telling you you're out of milk, and your thermostat adjusting itself before you get home. That's not the future, it's the Internet of Things, or IoT, happening right now. IoT stands for Internet of Things, which means everyday objects connected to the Internet. These devices can collect data, share information, and even make decisions, all without human help. Here's how it works. Smart devices have sensors and tiny computers inside them. They collect information like temperature, movement, or your location. The data gets sent over the internet to apps or other devices. The devices respond automatically or send you alerts. It's like giving everyday objects a digital brain and the ability to talk to each other. IoT is everywhere because it makes life easier and smarter. Smart homes adjust lighting, temperature, and security. Wearable devices track your health and fitness. Smart cities manage traffic and energy use. Businesses use IoT to monitor machines and prevent breakdowns. It's all about saving time, improving safety, and making better decisions with real-time data. So, the Internet of Things is turning everyday devices into connected, smart helpers, making homes, businesses, and cities more efficient and convenient. IoT, connecting the world, one smart device at a time. Want to learn more tech terms? Subscribe and stay tuned for more easy explanations.